Okay, today is April the 3rd, 2025. Just want to let you see something here. These two tomato plants right here, okay, they were started about a week earlier than these other tomato plants. These were put in these little pots, okay, started from seed, and this is what they look like. These were started in the plugs that we make, and you can see the roots on them. A week later they were started, these big ones, compared to these here. I wanted these two for early tomatoes. I do believe I could probably use these other ones as early tomatoes before these here. It does show that these here blocks, it's actually soil blocks that we made, not plugs, but soil blocks. They do work. They work extremely well. You can actually see the roots, how they're really spreading out. And the only thing we can see is that they can get more air to the root system. So it just makes them grow faster. I mean, big difference. These two little guys and them, a week difference. This one here is a week later. These two are a week earlier. I just wanted to share that with you. The blocking does really work. Okay, I'm back again with these tomato plants. Now, these are the same ones I just showed you earlier. They were in these pots right here. As you can see, the root system is there, but it is nothing compared to the ones that we did the soil blocks. So the soil blocks makes a big difference. The roots on the soil block ones are a lot thicker, and they have that little fiber hairs on them that makes them collect the nutrients and stuff. So the soil blocks are amazing. And this is the same soil, the exact same soil. It was just put in a little pot like this, okay, compared to the block that you make with the soil blocks. So just wanted to share that with you.